In this video, we're going to look at changing horizontal axis category labels. We're going to look at two examples where we change the text that is currently being used. So for example, I might want to change this to Q1, Q2, Q3, and Q4. And then the final example is going to look at a problem where even though we've based our chart on this data, on the horizontal axis, we get numbers rather than the labels within our data. Okay, so let's look at the first example. I want the category labels to say Q1, Q2, Q3, and Q4. And the trick here is to go up to the Chart Design tab on your ribbon and then click on Select Data. Another way into that dialog box is to right click up in an empty space adjacent to the title and choose Select Data from the shortcut menu. Then you need to click on Edit under Horizontal Category Axis Labels, delete what's currently in that box, and then type in your labels separated by a comma. Then click on OK. Click on OK again, and you can see that it replaces the labels. Another solution, if I move this chart over a little bit, is to create an additional column where you can type in the labels that you want to show in your chart. Then what I would do is I would select the category labels, go up to Chart Design, back to Select Data, click on Edit, but this time select the range of cells in my sheet that contain my new labels. Click on OK, click on OK, and you can see now we have the new labels in our chart. Third and final problem. This is a little bit different. Instead of these labels, we're showing a sequence of numbers across the bottom of our chart. And the problem here is where we have numeric values in the first column of our data. Now this is also easily fixed. You select your horizontal axis, Chart Design, Select Data. You can see here that we have two series, whereas in fact we only have one, which is sales. Product ID should be the category axis labels. So I need to delete that series, select it, and then click on Remove. Then I need to click on Edit and select the product IDs as my axis labels. Click on OK, and you can see it's fixed the problem. Okay, that's all I wanted to cover in this video. Hopefully that's useful. If it is, please subscribe and give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you next video.